Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable 1080p 960 FPS slow-mo on your Mission 1 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go to the mode management. So we're going to go here. Now we're going to create a mode. And here, what are we going to do is we need to go to slow-mo and we want to select burst slow-mo. We're going to click next and choose the mode icon. We're going to click this. Of course, the name doesn't matter. Now we're going to save it. And as you guys can see, we have it. So we can go over and here we have our resolution 1080 and the frame rate, which is 960. It's basically because you cannot just use normal slow-mo, you need to use the burst one because it records in a 10-second high-speed burst. So that's how it works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.